Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure BMW ConnectedDrive for charging timers and departure times step by step clearly. Open the BMW Connected app on your smartphone. Ensure that your vehicle is connected to the app. Select the My Vehicle option from the main menu. Tap on Charging to access charging settings. Choose charging timers to start configuring your charging schedule. Tap on Add Charging Timer. Set the desired start time for charging. Select the days of the week for this charging timer. You may also choose the end time for charging, if needed. Save the charging timer settings once you've configured them. Next, navigate back to the main menu and select Departure Times. Tap on Add Departure Time. Input the time. Select which days of the week this departure time applies. You can also set the required battery percentage to ensure your vehicle is ready. Save the departure time settings once completed. Review all your configurations in the charging and departure time sections. Make any necessary adjustments if required. Now your BMW ConnectedDrive is fully configured for charging timers and departure times. Your vehicle is ready to optimize charging based on your schedule. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.